Shall we begin?
Right, that's Tony's RC Tech out. Baby.
Let's begin.
Hi guys, it's Tony from Tony's RC Tech, and before I unbox this K989 from Wltoys from Banggood, I am going to say a few words. So basically, the few words are, obviously you've seen that I've hit the 2K and 2K plus. So the first thing I want to say is, listen guys, I done this YouTube because my dad passed away suddenly, yeah. So I need something to occupy my mind, and I think there's a lot of people who can relate to that. And so I just basically done RC cars, you know, just something to occupy my mind. I didn't expect at all to hit over 2K. So I am just overwhelmed, and I can't believe that I've actually hit over 2K. I started March 2016. I started March 2018. Sorry, my dad died in 2016. Anyway, right, so I started March 2018, so it's been less than 2 years, so I just can't even believe the support I'm getting from you guys. And again, I would not even got anywhere only for you guys. So I just want to say thanks again for your support and everything like that. So I'm really made up with that, and again, I always get kind words and comments and all that stuff. So, and the reason I took the thumbs down, you can still do it. It's just for my benefit, really. I just don't like negativity, and I can't be doing with negativity. So that's the reason I've done that. So I have to go into another system to see my thumbs downs or thumbs up. But to be honest with you, if I can't see it, no negativity. So carry on doing what you're doing or whatever, guys. So yeah, so I'm going to unbox this now. So I'll just get back to you now, guys, because I'll just do that in a sec. Give me a second. Right, guys. So anyway, right, so I've got this Wltoys, right, K989, yeah. Little car, and we made from Toronto RC. I'm going to leave a link as well in his description of his videos, because his videos are fantastic and he's done upgrades to it. So go on to Toronto RC as well if you want to see more of this little bad boy. And for something so small, it's so fast. Again, Wltoys, like the 144001. I think this is an amazing car. Anyway, it's not that one. There's the box. The box is absolutely solid. It's a fantastic box. And I think I'm going to use this box as well for carrying stuff in as well when I'm going to my RC mess abouts and that. So anyway, so it's a 2.4 gigahertz, and it's got a 320 motor, little 320 motor. Transmitter, obviously, servos and all that stuff. It's all proportional. So let me just get it out anyway and show you. So the box, right? So obviously I've had the box out just to charge the battery and all that stuff. But it comes with a plug, so wherever you're living, it'll give you the right plug for where you are in the world. So that was a nice little handy little thing they done. So it comes in like that, and it's all like tied in and all that, so it's all solid. So if I just push this out, I'll take this out in a minute. Again, if you have a look at the box, you know what I mean, the little carrying case, you can put a couple of RCs in that, or batteries in that, you know, carry with batteries, put some tape on it, duct tape on it. Nice little carrying case. I don't like wasting nothing, me. Anyway, guys, right, so what do you get in the box? Obviously, you get your instructions. Make sure you read your instructions. And you also get a charger lead. The charger, it's basically, if you have a look. So there's a balanced charger lead, yeah. As you'll see by the size of the battery on it. Also gives you some pinions and spare gears as well. So that's quite nice of them as well. So you can see that there. It says on the thing, description, it takes up to 90 minutes to charge. But I used a thing, charger, a simple charge. Hang on, give me a sec, I know where it is. You'll see me going here now. Coming now, guys, I'm coming now. Here we go. So anyway, I use one of these chargers, which comes like standards with your the JLBs and all that stuff. I think you can get these for about £6. But anyway, the battery charged within 10 minutes. So these are good little chargers, these. I've got a professional balance charger as well, but I just thought, with it being a small battery, I'll just use this. And it worked 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Anyway, right guys, so what else you get? You also get your standard. Let me just put that there. I'm trying to be as quick as I can, you know, unboxes and all that stuff. Again, all well packaged and everything. Again, from Banggood as well, so you can, it's in the description here. It takes 4 AA's, right, as well, which is good. So that's good. It's got your trimming settings and all that stuff on there as well. Again, nice sponge controller. These controllers are fantastic. You know, I've not heard a bad word about these, to be honest with you. They've got nice controls from Wltoys, so well done for that. You know, keep it's not broke, leave it. You know what I mean? So it's quite a good controller. So I'll just put these aside, guys. Right. So then put this aside, nothing else in there. So again, these are all tie wrapped here. Cable tied to the car, so the car was solid. Again, right, let me just show you. Right, I think, right, so there's the car. I don't know if you can see it, but the detail on the body is just absolutely amazing. You know what I mean? Absolutely amazing. I think it's oh, Tom something. Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, but look at the body on that. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna take it off the camera so you can show the body in that, and you can see it more in detail. Okay, so give us a second. Right guys, here it is. Obviously I made it like a little turnstile for displaying my cars with, but look at the body on this, guys. And it does look like the Ken Block one, you know, that I think it's HPI we make it, but I think the detail in this body is absolutely fantastic. Look at that American flag there on there as well. But it's just, and see there where it says fast, it is fast. It is fast. Again, go onto RC and I'll show you as well. But this is just going to be an unboxing, right? So anyway, I'll take the pins out, only little tiny pins, and I'll just show you a bit more about the car. Hang on a minute, I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. Hang on, let me just take that off. So, there's the body, yeah. So there's the body. Fantastic. Quite thick as well, to be honest with you. Right, so anyway, guys, you've got all metal here, metal brace and all that. So this is your 400 milliamp battery here, what goes into it here. It's only a small one, and then it goes in by the balance port. So it's a 2S battery, so it's only got a small one. But I've got my GP Toys, the other car, and it's got the same battery, so at least I've got 2 batteries anyway to mess about with. It's also got a metal chassis, if you see, but it says it's claiming 30 kilometers an hour on this little car, on that little tiny battery, on that little motor. Where is the motor? So here's the little motor here. I think it's a 320 motor, but I just can't wait to actually have a go with this. But anyway, yeah, it's got like suspension. Look at this. It's even got like little suspension springs there as well. But it's just a fantastic little car, and I've wanted one of these for a while. So again, you know, for the price, unbelievable. Again, all the links and everything down below. Right, guys. So here's the remote control here. Always turn your remote control on first before your car, and then when you turn it off, turn the car off first, then your remote control. Just a little tip for you, because if you don't do it, your car can actually run away with itself. Right, here we go. Right, so I'll turn that on. Right, and then I'll turn this on. There's a little button at the side here. Yeah, can you see? So you turn that on. Makes a little beep. So I'll just do this. Watch this little servo here. Ready? Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Right, so I'll just see if it works, yeah? Also, these tyres by Toronto RC, they're a bit thin. Right, they're a bit thin, these tyres. Right, so I've ordered some upgraded tyres, what he's done. And why is it going out of focus? Right, so I've ordered some upgraded tyres. So the tyres are wider. So they're a bit wider anyway. And apparently they're better, and they are, because I've seen it. So I've ordered some of them. Again, I'll put that in the link for the upgraded tyres. I think they're only about £8 odd for 4 tyres. So anyway, I'm going to have a little go in the living room, do my little living room bash just to start off. But I will be having a proper go with this, guys. So bear with me. I'm going to put the body on. And And then I'm going to do a little Liverpool. See, Liverpool are doing brilliant. It's in my head. Sorry, guys. Sorry, all you Man United fans and all that. Liverpool's in my head. So I'm going to do it in the living room, okay? See how fast it is. Not actually had a go of it at all, and I promise you that. Right, here we go. Right, guys, here we go. Right, so I'm just going to have a little go in the living room, see how it gets on. I think it's going to be too slidey for some reason, but I don't know. Let's just see how we do it. So I'll start off slow. Hang on. Yeah, it's going to be slidey. Wow. Tell you what, it is fast. You can just tell by the power of the wheels there. A bit of drifting as well. Hang on. Even though I can't do drifting, but you know. A bit of donut. Oh, I think I'm going to love this one as well. See, that's the good thing about little cars. You can just mess about with them in your living room when it's raining and stuff. Oh, honest to God, I like it. Oh, we've done a bit of drifting there going on. Look at that. I can't even put full power. Well, you know, put full power. It's just basically gonna slide. But you can see by the power of it. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, we've got a trap. Hang on. Oh, my mic's not going to be happy with that. Hang on. There it is. I'm out. Oh, hang on. I love it. Oh, I'll have to go outside. Wow. Tell you what, this could actually be a nice little drift car, this. You know, for like carpet tracks and that, indoor tracks. I don't know at the end, it might be up. Look at that. I think it's because the floor's quite slidey, quite smooth. But I love it. Right, guys, so I'm gonna leave it there because obviously I don't know if you carry on when I like it or whatever. But there's my unboxing of the Wltoys K989 from Banggood. Again, links in the description and all that, and the upgraded tyres, they're going to be in the description as well. But it's a nice little car. It's like a drift car, to be honest with you, but obviously outside it'll be better on the tarmac and stuff. But I love it. I love it. Anyway, so I'm gonna finish with the donut. Hang on, I can't do it. Finish with the donut. Oh, nice little drift in there. Right, hang on. Right, so anyway, guys, there's Tony's RC Tech. Right, so there's the K989, and I hope you like the video. And again, thank you very much for all your support and your likes and your comments. I absolutely appreciate it, guys. Really do. So that's Tony's RC Tech out. Ah, boom!